Hello, Joel with iTroll, and every iTroll G3 comes with a standard service kit. These are just little items that go along with your iTroll. So the first item inside the iTroll is some dielectric grease. iTroll's data cable is detachable, so you can take the control head off the boat. And the dielectric grease is to coat the contacts inside that cable union that's waterproof, in case moisture gets on it when it's outside, when it's disassembled. Here's a temporary cable union. Sometimes people lose parts of the waterproof cable union, so to make sure you can absolutely keep going inside the kit is a temporary cable union. For the custom mount, we give you the 2 thumb screws that will lock the slider plate onto the back plate of the iTroll. I don't know about you, but I sure don't have a 000 screwdriver in my boat. One of the compromises we had to make with the iTroll, and there's always compromises in things, is our transmitter. To obtain our IP68 weatherproof rating, we had to have screws on the back of it to compress the seal enough to make sure water couldn't get in. But guess what? You can lose those little screws. So first of all, what you get is this little plate. And like I said, who has a 000 Phillips screwdriver, we supply that with the kit. 2 screws for your transmitter and a spare battery. This is a nifty little item. This is the first piece we printed when we put our 3D print farm in this summer. And you get the battery out of this by simply pushing on it and it hinges out. So that's the contents of the service kit. It just shows how iTroll goes above and beyond to make sure our customers have everything for the best experience on the water.